You wish to raise this cub as if he were your own?
I do.
对于人类男孩的事，大家议论纷纷，毕竟他们对人类并没什么好感。就在狼王盯着男孩犹豫不决时，一只恶虎突然朝他们走了过来。他的一只脚曾被人类打伤，因此对于人类痛恨无比，说什么也逼着狼群交出男孩。
This is not your concern, Chica.
The cub is mine. I have already tasted its mother's blood. It is my right.
You're right according to whose law?
Best you leave now.
Yes.
恶虎还试图继续威胁，而这也彻底把狼王惹怒了，于是当即决定收留男孩。眼看狼群步步紧逼，以及黑熊黑豹两大猛兽的凶厉怒吼，不甘的恶虎只好放下狠话，暂行离去，并保证自己总有一天会吃掉男孩，而这无疑是对狼群的巨大挑衅。于是狼王命令狼群，自今日起，他们要尽全族之力保护男孩。
As long as I am alive,